Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Tech love from Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'm going to show you how to force quit applications on your MacBook. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Your one subscription motivates me a lot. So I'll show you 3 different methods and all of them are super awesome. So now I'm gonna talk about method 1. We're gonna use our keyboard. Normally press on your keyboard Command, Option and Escape button together. So I'm gonna press on my keyboard Command, Option and Escape button together. And now you will see a pop-up window like this. In the window that appears, you will see a list of currently running applications. Click on the application that isn't responding. And after then, select Force Quit. And you will see a confirmation message here, and after then choose Force Quit again. And that's it. Now I'm gonna talk about the method 2. You can also do this using the Apple menu. Normally, click on the Apple menu icon on the top left corner of your screen, and after then select Force Quit. And here you will also see the same window. Normally select the app and click on this Force Quit button and again Force Quit button, and that's it. Finally, I'm gonna talk about the third method. Normally locate the application in your dock. So here you can see that my notes is open right now. So normally right click on it and select Quit. That's it. By the way, force quitting an application can result in unsaved changes being lost. It's recommended to use this method only when an application becomes unresponsive and other methods of closing it have failed. I hope this guide helps you manage unresponsive applications on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Allah Hafiz.